Welcome, folks. This is Tom O'Brien of TFNN. We go 5 days a week. We go 10 hours a day. We go 24 hours a day on the internet at TFNN.com. Always remember, folks, whatever you think about, you bring about. Whatever you focus on grows. Hope everyone's having a great day, safe day. The TGIF, folks. Let's make it a great one. Create new agreements based on respect and love. Take the responsibility to make new agreements with those you love. If an agreement doesn't work, change the agreement, create a new one. Use your imagination to explore all the possibilities. Market-wise, let's take a look at it out here. We have the Dow Industrials up 140. NASDAQ is up 19. NASDAQ is up 16. S&Ps are up 9. Gold contract up $4.50, trading at $11.8840. Silver up 5 cents, $14.76 an ounce. Light sweet crude up 57 cents, $66.03 a barrel. Notes and bonds, you get the 10-year note flat, 120.09. 30-year up 2 ticks, 144.19. We go over and we take a look at this 10-year first. What we're looking at is that you're going to be finishing at the top of the range out here for the week. We got 1.1 million contracts. So what we're doing out here, folks, is that you're going into the swing. We've come up this week. You had a nice sign of strength last Friday, had an additional sign of strength on Wednesday. You're going right into the top of this range that we've been in since the beginning of June. Bottom line is that you have a high volume swing point at 121.03, and I expect that high volume swing is going to get hit more than likely next week because you still don't have the note nor the bond market backing off into higher price, lower yield. Right now, the yield on the 10-year is 2.868. For the last 3 months, the low has been 2.7. The high's been 3.06. King Dollar. What do we have with King Dollar? King Dollar's backing down. Now, what's going to get intriguing about King Dollar here is this. You're backing down. You definitely have light volume on the back down. That being said, on a weekly basis, what you're looking at is that it failed to hold price. So I expect, number one, you're going to try to get back inside the lower range again, and that lower range is 95,440. Right now, you're at 95,985. So I do expect we're going to see that next week. Tesla, if you want to see an equity that got hammered this month, Tesla does it. Musk had an interview with the New York Times. Bottom line, Terry interview, problem child. Big time. It's going to be a problem for Tesla, I can tell you that. Because you put Tesla on a monthly basis, if you want to see something that's pretty intense, folks, if you are into candlestick charting, okay, you are going to see something that you don't see too often. And this is a doji that is a mind blower, okay? And so what it is that the high for the month is 387. We're at 293, 304 right now. This is one monster bar. We'll see where this shakes out. My take is that what we're going to see first is that we're going to see the high volume low get tested, which is 244. Right now, you're at 305. I expect 244 is going to get hit. That is the high volume low from February. And we'll see where it shakes out. You know, bottom line, if you get a rejection there, then there's going to be some big action. The reason being is that when we go back and actually take a look at this monthly, this monthly, it's set up as a shooting star. And shooting stars, folks, love to get retested. Now, it can take months to get retested, but this is one monster one. And what does happen inside candlestick charting, the larger that the candle is, the more probability that the candle's going to be correct. Market-wise out here, what I expect we're going to see is this. So the S&Ps, NASDAQ Composite, NDX 100. They've been selling those off coming into the close each and every day. I expect we're going to see that again. So we'll see where this whole thing shakes out. If we go over and we take a look at the, let's go into the GDX. We had a question about the GDX. So the GDX out here is up 49 cents. You're trading $18.65. We'll put this on a weekly and see what we're coming into. Okay, so your number 1858 is the number. So we got down to the lows, rejected the lows thus far. Now, I want to see the GDX close a lot higher than we are right now. We're up on a weekly, you're up 49 cents, but the deeper that you get inside of 1868, the more probability is that, you might have a bottom in. I wouldn't look at this right now saying we get a bottom in the GDX. It would have to get higher. What we did do, we came down to, even if you close at 1885, better than 1865. The GDX is going to have to actually get back inside 20, and then you get some traction. That's kind of how this whole thing is setting up right now. What is intriguing, there's no doubt, is that when you do take a look at the dollar, the bottom line is it looks to me like the dollar does want to back down. What has happened, however, in the last 8 weeks, the dollar, even when it was trying to take out its highs from October of 2016, what it had done, it was only one day that it actually backed down with volume. The rest of the time, each and every time it backed down, it had light volume. And it's not that it has real strength going topside either. That hasn't happened. What has happened is that each and every time that it gets up to approximately that 95, 800 mark, it has bulls and bears fighting like crazy. Some of the other higher volume stocks out here, the chips are getting hit out here today. You got Applied Material down $3.35. NVIDIA's off $12. Tesla's the big number. Let's go over to NVIDIA for a second. NVDA. We take a look at NVIDIA. Yeah, this is down with big volume. So you get 24 million shares traded. You're down $12.79. Okay, so you want to make, this wants to make a run down to somewhere around 213 or 240. We take these chips up, they take them down. We go to AMAT, Applied Material. You're going to see the same setup in Applied Material. Both AMAT and Applied and NVIDIA folks, come out with good numbers, but their guidance wasn't great. NVIDIA's an ABC, AMAT's an ABC structure on the way down. Stay right there, folks. Come right back.
Hi folks, Tom O'Brien here. If you'd like to get my daily newsletter, Market Insights, then now is a great time to sign up for a 30-day free trial. Every morning by 9:30, I send out my morning letter to subscribers with market commentary on a variety of markets, currencies, and commodities to keep investors up to date on the day's trading action. Included in Market Insights are specific buy and sell recommendations for stocks, ETFs, and even options, with stops and price targets included for every trade in my newsletter. If you'd like to try my newsletter risk-free for 30 days, then head over to the front page of TFNN and you'll find Market Insights under Trading Newsletters. I use my years of trading experience to bisect and dissect the market every morning and give my subscribers the most important information they need to know for the day ahead. I even issue afternoon updates for my subscribers whenever warranted with important market action. I'm always scouring the market for the next great trading opportunity. Sign up for your 30-day free trial to my daily newsletter, Market Insights, today by visiting the front page of TFNN.com. Wow! Go get them, folks!